Phlegm and mucus are part of the body's natural defense mechanism, trapping dust, allergens, and pathogens to prevent them from entering the lungs. However, excess mucus can be uncomfortable, leading to congestion, coughing, and difficulty breathing. Clearing phlegm naturally can help restore comfort and improve respiratory health. This video explores natural remedies to help eliminate excess mucus and phlegm from the lungs. Don't skip the video and watch until the end. Preparation of natural drink to clear phlegm and mucus from lungs. Ingredients and its uses. 1 tablespoon onion juice, which is rich in sulfur compounds that help break down mucus and have antimicrobial properties. 1 tablespoon honey, preferably Manuka honey for added antibacterial properties, which soothes the throat and acts as a natural antimicrobial agent. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, which is high in vitamin C, boosting immunity and cutting through mucus. 1 cup of warm water, which helps thin mucus and soothes irritation in the throat. How we will prepare this drink. First, extract onion juice. Grate a fresh onion and squeeze it through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to extract 1 tablespoon of juice. Then, combine ingredients. Mix the onion juice, honey, and lemon juice in a small bowl or glass. Add warm water. Pour a cup of warm water into the mixture and stir well. Drink the mixture slowly, preferably on an empty stomach or 30 minutes before meals. Take this remedy 1 to 2 times daily for best results. Let me know if you need more tips. Conclusion. Natural remedies are effective in managing and reducing excess mucus and phlegm. By staying hydrated, using steam, and incorporating herbs and essential oils into your routine, you can support your respiratory health. Consistency and lifestyle changes play a crucial role in keeping your lungs clear and healthy. If you like, then give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video.